Once an organization decides to move forward with a construction project, they must ask an important question. How will the work get done? The answer isn't as straightforward as you think, because it depends on the intricacies of the project and the needs of the organization. Let's look at 5 of the most popular construction project delivery methods an organization may consider. The first and most common choice is design, bid, build. Intended for large, complex projects and commercial construction, design, bid, build follows a linear sequence of activities, each completed by separate construction professionals. First comes the design phase, when an architect or engineer conceptualizes the build, creates drawings, and specifies materials. Next in the process is the bid phase, when the owner solicits project bids from general contractors. A complete bid typically includes cost estimates, project schedules, and other relevant information. The original designer and the project owner then evaluate bids. Cost is often the determining factor in the selection process, but other variables come into play, including contractor experience and reputation. The owner awards the project to the contractor who best meets their criteria, and the awarded contractor oversees the build phase. Let's say the organization likes the structure of design, bid, build, but wants the project to move a little faster. In that case, they might want to opt for design build, a project delivery method similar to design bid build, but with one key difference. To begin the design build process, the owner drafts a preliminary design and provides it to various firms. These firms then respond with proposals that represent their best price for the project. Unlike bids, proposals include alterations to the project design. By allowing for outside input, the design-build method lets the owner choose between several options, each offering a unique blend of design elements and value. The owner then selects one contractor to design and build the project, which speeds up time to construction compared to design-bid-build. Design-build is ideal for complex projects on a compressed timeline. While the first 2 options might be the most popular project delivery methods, there are still more options to consider. One option is Construction Manager at Risk, or CMAR. In this unique project delivery method, an owner hires a construction manager to oversee the project from design to closeout. Work is completed within a set cost threshold called a Guaranteed Maximum Price, or GMP, which includes materials, labor, and the contractor's overhead and fees. If the total project cost is under the GMP, the owner keeps the savings. If the cost exceeds the GMP, the construction manager is on the hook to make up the difference. This financial risk motivates the construction manager to act in the owner's best interest and maximize the budget. Once the owner agrees to the GMP, project designs are finalized, and subcontractor bids are selected, construction can begin. Construction Manager at Risk is most often used by private sector organizations who want to exercise budgetary control and are not interested in overseeing day-to-day construction. Another project delivery method an organization might discuss to complete their project is time and materials. This process allows work to begin without full knowledge of the time frame and budget, reducing time to construction. The owner determines an approximate project scope and then agrees with the contractor on a fixed hourly wage, maximum labor hours, the total cost of materials, and a ceiling for total project cost, protecting the owner from egregious cost overruns. Everything else is negotiated as construction is completed, allowing for flexibility when dealing with unforeseen circumstances. The time and materials method is most appropriate for project owners who don't mind doing more work throughout construction in exchange for getting a project off the ground quickly. Finally, an organization may choose to deliver a project with job order contracting, or JOC. JOC is an indefinite delivery, indefinite quantity delivery method, meaning that one competitively bid contract can be used at various times to complete an undetermined number of projects. These contracts satisfy local procurement statutes and establish prices for construction tasks up front, ensuring owners maintain budget control. And without the necessity of preparing separate bid documents and enduring the time-consuming process of putting every individual project out to bid, JOC can accelerate speed to construction by as much as 25%. JOC has also been found to require fewer people than other project delivery methods and reduce costs over time. This incredible time and resource savings is why organizations turn to Gordian's job order contracting to complete tens of thousands of projects every year. Some are as simple as repainting an existing facility, others are large, complex new builds. No matter a project's size and scope, Gordian's job order contracting solutions streamline workflows, foster collaborative working relationships between owners and contractors, and offer cost transparency. You can learn more about Gordian's job order contracting solutions by checking out our JOC 101 video series. Each of these project delivery methods has its place in the construction universe. Savvy organizations match delivery method to their needs and work with contractors to ensure a successful outcome.